What's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh. This is Cranks and Pistons. So today we are headed out to AGM. So I've been getting a little bit of complaints about the emissions from my car, and I think it might be a little bit too high. So I'm gonna go get it checked out, and this is the first time I'm gonna see the underbelly of the E46. So go check out the car, see if there are any leaks in the exhaust, and if possible, just maybe, if possible, we might even add a muffler to it to just better the tone of the car and make it sound a little bit better. Right now it is just raw engine noise, right? It's straight pipe, it's raw engine noise. So I want to hear how it sounds with a muffler added onto it, and I can't wait for it. So this possibly could be the last time that we drive the straight piped E46. So let's give it one for the road. Slow down. So the expressways here is probably 120 max. There are not much roads that you can really go, except like, you know, the countryside roads. You get out of town a little bit, then it's all right. So I really don't want to risk it and go too fast right here. Wink wink. So we did do some good numbers. If you guys caught the how loud is my straight pipe E46 video, you would know that was a pretty good number there. We put a good number on the car. So now let's head on down to AGM and see what's what with the exhaust of the E46. Right, and like that, we are here. Oh, AGM, you did good. Ken did good, huh? This is the new shop. Last time we came into the old shop. This is pretty sick. This looks amazing. They're just lining the car up inside to lift it up. And let's first start with the underbelly. Let's check out what is the issue, and then we'll see what we can do to it. Oh damn, check this out you guys. I was right. This is what's been going on. Even when we tried the burnout, this is why the car fumed up, I guess. There's mad smoke under the car. So now we're gonna just weld this up and then see how it sounds. Hopefully it does sound better and run better now. So fingers crossed. Okay, I'm gonna let them work on the car now, but we're gonna take a quick walk around of AGM, new shop. It's pretty sick. They've got everything going on here. So they've got the exhaust right here. They have the repairs right here. They have the wrap shop there. They have the detailing shop there. We have quite a few gems hidden in this bunch of cars. First, merch line. Nice exhaust setups. You name it, whichever car you want. Really cool setup here. Much better than the old one that was there. They've got their AGM merch now. That's sick. Business is going really well. And let's go check out the hidden gems inside. So there's the common, there's the Sylvias, the Fair Lady, there's the GTRs. Quite a few GTRs actually. One right here, one right there, down there. But this Ferrari caught my eye. Beautiful convertible Ferrari with a sick color tone. It's like this, similar color tone, this one, and ours right there. It'll be a good lineup to have actually. That would be a dream garage. A powder blue Aston Martin. Mint green S2000. New school GTR and old school GTR. Nice R32, a beautiful R32, but I don't think anyone has driven it in a really long time, even though it's parked right outside the detailing shop. So I guess they're just waiting for it to get repaired up, bring it back into condition, and then go for it. Beefy little Supra. It's a nice body kit on it. Sick wheels. Not sure what's there under the hood, but for the best one yet, right here. Yes, the Veilside Kit RX7, guys. This is madness. This was there in one of our previous videos as well. We had gone to the C3 shop and this was under wraps, so we couldn't see it clearly. Now we get to see it fully. All bags, and the clearance is barely. It is literally touching the ground. It's got a sick interior as well. Full custom interior, yellow trims, Momo steering wheels, Recaro seats, race seats. I don't know if I'm gonna fit inside the car though. So I'm gonna attempt the impossible and try to get into this low RX7. Let's try. Alright. That's coming off. Oh, nice. This is snug. Really comfortable. Manual. It's a nice view. It's got the sunroof as well. I think this can be a really comfortable car on the roads. And the owner of this has done this up really well. Look at all the extra parts that is there in. Multiple gauges, displays, various controls down there. I guess that's for the suspensions. And the seating position, it's really comfortable. It's a tiny seat. My bum is not fitting in fully, but it's pretty snug, comfortable, nice to sit and go for a nice long drive. Madness, guys. Madness. Beautiful. Just the idle tone itself, it's a beauty. This is awesome. More. Need to pull more. The door is always like that. Alright, first startup, guys, after the fix. Oh yeah! I think this sounds much better than what it was before. And there's no extra smoke coming out either. Beautiful. I think we're good with this. I don't want to do anything more to it. This sounds pretty decent to me right now. Maybe later we'll get a whole different exhaust setup, but for now, I think this is solid. I'm at peace here right now. I'm so happy that I'm at a shop, just sitting and chilling. I wish I had access to a garage like this on a daily basis. This is just too far, but I love coming here. I love coming and checking out all the rides here. It's always a lot of fun to meet the guys, catch up with them. So now, let's go give it a quick start up. and see how it sounds from inside the car. Feels like a bit more refined now. Ah, so much more easier to get into this car than that RX7 right there. Alright. 1, 2. More mellow. Not that loud. No unnecessary fan sounds. Yes. One from the outside. Let's go. Drive, sport, let's bounce. Can't wait to give this a rip on the road now. Much better, yeah. Oh. Much better. The throttle response is so much better now, and it sounds the way it should. As I'm accelerating, sound up, not few seconds later. Nice. Ken, thank you so much. Respect. You did well. So now we are headed down to one of my boys' shop. He's opened a new wrap shop. So we're gonna go check it out. And he told me he's got some new toys as well. So let's head on there and check out what's going on in Nick's shop. Right, we're here. This is Nick's new shop. And we're getting the Porsche wrap today. So the main man here, boss Sifu.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Congratulations on your new shop. Looks good. You're gonna work on this today, huh? It's always nice when one of your boys start one of their own car businesses, and Nick is getting out there and doing it. Respect for him. So I'm gonna probably go and help him out, wrap the Panamera. It's Ken's new Panamera. He got a new family car. He sold this purple SLK. If you guys remember when I went and got my SLK exhaust in AGM the first time, that's one of our most famous popular videos on the channel. You guys need to check it out. I'll leave a link up there on the screen. So he sold that purple SLK, and then he bought a E90 BMW E92. And then now he sold that and got this Porsche Panamera, which is sick. So now we're gonna go help them wrap it and learn how to do a wrap process, so that next time when we want to wrap the E46, we'll be able to do it ourselves, hopefully without external help. Maybe a couple of friends come over and help us to do it. Should be possible. So today I might do the tinting for the glass, some legal tint, because it's getting really hot inside the car. So let's see how the process works out now. Like this?
Yes.
Yes. There we go. That's it, guys. It's alright. Just it takes a lot of patience, that's it. But then once you get the hang of it, I think it's doable. It's pretty doable. So while they're working on the car inside, we cleaned up the E46. So much dirt on the wheels. It looks so much better now. You can see a bit of the chrome. And yes, guys, this is fake. It's not real. And I found out how and I'm gonna leave that for a totally different video, because I went in AGM, so one of the guys, Eddie, had his own wheel collection, and he told me what is the difference. So next time we're gonna go to his shop, we're gonna do a comparison for both of the wheels, and next time you guys will know when it's the real BBS wheels and when it's the fake BBS wheels. So the only other color that's gonna be on the car now is gonna be the chrome on the wheels. Otherwise everything is gonna be either gray or all black, and that's gonna look sick. Obviously the plates are gonna be different colors. I wish I didn't have to have the front plates. It would definitely make the car look much better, but this is pretty good. I'm convinced we're gonna make the jump, and we're gonna do that in a whole separate video. I'm probably gonna come in next week and get it done. So if you like today's video, guys, smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do smash the subscribe button. So this is the start of the mod process for the E46. So one by one we're gonna knock it out, and at the end, I have a vision. Let's see if that turns out as it should look. It's not gonna look like the M3 that we saw in the event the other day. This is gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be a true E46. We're gonna change the interior as well. I'm gonna buy a few different trims. I'm gonna change out the system and change out the setup on the inside as well as on the outside. Maybe change up the wheels a little bit. So do stay tuned, you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. So till then, peace.